Hello great minds, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to be taking you guys through the tutorial on Binance. That's introduction to the Binance API. What is an API? An application program interface. So basically I'm going to be showing you the Binance interface and how it looks. So if you've installed your Binance and if you've registered an account and you've basically gone through the necessary things to get your Binance account working, I think this video is for you. So stay true to the end. Alright, so if you've installed the correct Binance on your phone, whether an Android or an iPhone, it looks something like this. So heading over to the page, okay. So when you get into the Binance account for the first time, you're going to be greeted with this kind of interface. So now this Binance app it actually has 5 sections in it. If you look below, there is home, there is markets, there is trades, there is features, there is wallets. So I'll be taking them step by step on basically what each of their functions are. So in this Binance interface, now this page, now you're actually greeted with a whole lot of things, a whole lot. So see this doodle here, that place shows your profile, or is where your profile is, and other settings concerning your account. Then you have search here, you have this thing for scanning QR codes. Then if you have any problem, maybe your account was blocked or you have an issue that you want to report to the Binance support, this icon that looks like a headphone is a direct link to the Binance support. Then these notifications is basically maybe when you have a withdrawal or when you have a deposit or anything at all, you'll be notified in that notification side. Actually, I've cleared my own, so you will not see any notifications here. I cleared this recently. Alright, so this is the send and receive kind of bar. You can send and receive cryptocurrencies, I think, using email, PID, or whatever. That will be for another video. Alright, so yeah, so here you have deposits, you have referrals where you can check your referral counts and other stuff, trading strategies, and more. If you get to more, you see other things, other of their services. You can actually a wide range of services you can pick from: calculator, Binance NFTs, peer-to-peer, and a whole lot. They're just so much. So you can just come here, just come to this place now and just check through some of the things. Although I don't use many of these things because they are basically just there's a whole lot going on here, guys. There's a whole lot, so it's your choice to use any of them. So yeah, all right, so for this place you're going to be seeing deposit naira, peer-to-peer trading, although I don't think this works. Then here, this ad banner you're seeing here is directly from Binance. Whenever they have any event or occasion or whatever, it is being displayed for you here in a kind of a slideshow. So yeah, and this is the price on any exchange. Just like Binance, their governance token is the first token you see there on display. So BNB is the governance token for Binance. So yeah, that's why it's actually the first coin here, followed by the two major cryptocurrencies, which is Ethereum and BTC. All right, so let's head over to our profile section. Let me show you some more things here. Our profile section. All right, if we head over to our profile section, you can basically see your verification status. You can change the theme of your Binance account. You can switch over to lights, although I don't use lights, but I'm going to switch over to show you guys how lights looks. But yeah, there are some things you cannot do on lights, like you cannot trade features and some other things. You can only buy and sell coins on lights. So here you have your task center, your reward center. When you're given any reward by Binance, you actually see there. Your referral ID is there, Binance Pay, Binance gift card, my gifts, in case there's any person who has sent you a gift card or anything, notifications still, payment methods, security, settings, help and support, and share the app, and then log out. Okay, let's go to securities, because yeah, okay, so when you come to security here, I think it's necessary that you secure your phone with two-factor authentication, 2FA. So I basically had this one before, but I removed it because authenticators have issues. So please, I don't recommend you using any Google. Don't use any Google or Binance OT. I think email authentication and SMS should work, because whenever you're about to process any transaction or you want to log into your app, they'll ask for codes from any of them. Okay, so I think probably your account is well secured with the two you get. So it's now your choice to go further. Then your activities are here, the devices onto which your Binance account is logged into, you'll find it there in case your account is breached. Then you have Touch ID. Although I did not secure my Binance with Touch ID because in fact, I don't secure my Binance account. This account is not actually my main account. So, alright. So we have pattern. You can also unlock it with pattern. Then you have your withdrawal addresses. So let's move over to settings. Okay, for settings you have push notifications. You can on your push notifications so that you can actually get notifications from Binance. You can see floating windows. I don't use it too, but you can. It's going to be basically like a window that will be showing you your trades when you're actually on another app, but I don't use that. So you have language to be English. Your currency of choice or your currency of display is USD. Hear me out, currency of display is USD. Then your payment currencies, which is your native currency, Naira. So my currency of display is USD because I like to see the price of the coin in USD. When you get to learn technical analysis, you analyze with USD, so you don't analyze with Naira. So if you put your display currency in Naira, you just keep deceiving yourself. Some things might actually be a bit different from what you're actually thinking. Okay, so appearance. What is appearance? Okay, light and dark mode, or use device setting, whichever. So style settings, you can put you into color vision deficiency, traditional or fresh. One is on fresh, which is the basic red and green. Okay, so different things. So guys, yeah, that's just it. That's just the about the Binance this thing. There's a whole lot. So if I switch to Binance Lite here using this button, I'll basically take into a simpler kind of Binance interface. So it says welcome to Binance Lite, whatever. Okay, so you can see now that the features interface is missing. You cannot trade features on Binance Lite, and they just have a limited amount of tokens that can be traded here. So okay, just buy, sell, converts, then your wallet. Okay, so nothing proper here. Switching back to the Binance Professional. Okay, so alright guys, that's just it. I think I should cut this video here, but okay, let me just tell you guys about this section. So this place is basically where you're going to find trending coins, trending coins on hot. So I don't know why BNB is always here. It has never left here before. Basically maybe it's a Binance kind of thing, but BNB is always there. But you'll find that whenever a coin is trending, you basically come here and you'll find it here. So you can see Ape is trending, Solana is trending, Vet, Sheep, Zeal, Ada, Cardano, Hot, and whatever. So when you come to the gainers section, basically saw where I typed, right? The gainers, losers, and 24-hour volume. So you come to the gainers, you basically see those who are leading the market, those who have the highest pump in the market. So yeah, you can as well check which kind of pairs you want. Mine is on all markets, but you can change your own to either BUSD markets, BNB market, or whichever, but I like it more on all markets. So it comes to the losers, you find the coins which are losing the most in the market. You can see them. Then it comes to the 24-hour volume. This is where you find pairs with high volume on trades. Yeah, so basically you can see them. Most of these 24-hour volume coins are basically, some of them are on the hot. In fact I think all of them are on hot too. So that's it guys. You can just take your time, go through some other things in these places that I did not touch. In our next video, I'll be moving into the markets and the wallet section. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video.